As Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So let's dive right in and explore these fantastic opportunities to generate passive income. Here are 20 ways to make money while you sleep. Number 1, investing in stocks. Warren Buffett himself has become a legendary investor by letting his money work for him while he sleeps. By carefully researching and selecting companies with growth potential, you too can earn dividends and see your investments grow over time. Number 2, real estate rentals. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income as your tenants pay rent each month. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, real estate can be an excellent long-term investment. Number 3, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investment. It's a win-win situation as borrowers get the funds they need and you make money from the interest. Number 4, affiliate marketing. If you have a website, blog, or social media presence, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services. By partnering with companies through affiliate programs, you can earn money when your audience makes purchases using your unique links. Number 5, print-on-demand products. With platforms like Shopify or Printful, you can design and sell custom merchandise without worrying about inventory or shipping. Each sale you make earns you a profit even while you sleep. Number 6, creating and selling online courses. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once you've created the content, it can generate passive income as students enroll and learn at their own pace. Number 7, writing and publishing books. Publishing an ebook or paperback allows you to earn royalties long after you've finished writing. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience and make money while you sleep. Number 8, creating a mobile app. If you have programming skills or a great app idea, developing a mobile app can be a lucrative venture. Once it's available on app stores, users can download and use your app, generating passive income through ads or in-app purchases. Number 9, dividend-paying stocks. Invest in established companies that regularly distribute dividends to their shareholders. As these companies profit, you'll receive a portion of the earnings, providing you with passive income. Number 10, creating a membership site. Offer exclusive content, tutorials, or a community to your audience through a membership site. By charging a recurring fee, you can earn money while providing ongoing value to your members. Number 11, renting out your possessions. Platforms like Airbnb or Turo allow you to rent out your home, car, or other assets when you're not using them. It's an excellent way to monetize idle resources and make money effortlessly. Number 12, investing in index funds. Index funds allow you to diversify your investments across multiple companies and industries. They require minimal effort to manage and can provide stable returns over the long term. Number 13, creating and selling digital products. From graphic design templates to music, compositions, or software plugins, there's a market for various digital products. Once you've created them, you can sell them repeatedly, earning money while you sleep. Number 14, YouTube monetization. If you love creating video content, YouTube offers the opportunity to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. As your channel grows, so does your passive income potential. Number 15, creating an online store. Launch your own e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. With dropshipping or fulfillment services, you can sell physical products without the need for inventory management. Number 16, investing in rental properties through crowdfunding. real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to pool your funds with other investors to collectively own and profit from income-generating properties. Number 17. Licensing your ideas or inventions. If you're an innovator, you can license your ideas, patents, or inventions to companies for royalties. This way, your intellectual property can generate passive income over time. Number 18. Robo-advisors and automated investing. Utilize the power of technology by investing through robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. These platforms create and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance, making investing hassle-free. Number 19. High-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. While the returns may not be as substantial as other options, these low-risk investments can provide a reliable source of passive income as your money earns interest. Number 20. Cryptocurrency staking. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to earn passive income by staking or holding them in a digital wallet. By participating in the blockchain network, you can earn rewards for validating transactions. And there you have it, folks. 20 ways to make money while you sleep. Remember, passive income is all about leveraging your time and resources to create streams of revenue that keep flowing, even when you're not actively working. Which of these methods resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth creation. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.